In today's video, we will be sharing with you this delicious holiday appetizer recipe. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn notifications if you enjoyed this video. For this recipe, you will need prosciutto, sliced apple, sliced cheese, and toothpicks. On one edge of the prosciutto, we're going to add a cheese slice. On top of the cheese slice, we're going to add an apple standing upright. Wrap the prosciutto around the cheese and the apple slice carefully. Use a toothpick to secure in place. Our holiday appetizer is complete, and now you can plate and serve. We hope you enjoy.